Hello everyone. As you know, in the previous video, in my order, I ordered this quick release, and the hose was not right. The hole was not right for my airbrush. So I looked for it and I found out that this product, ear hose adapter. We need ear hose adapter for this, okay? So that I can use my airbrush. So I'm gonna cut this open right now, okay? Alright. And let's see what's inside, if it is usable or not. So here you can see I've got 3 of them, okay? Now I'm gonna check this. It is going right in, yes. Okay, and let's see in the airbrush, okay, if it is going inside. And whoa! This hole is smaller. So it's not working. Okay, so I need to make this hole bigger. Okay, anyways, this is going to be another DIY video, how to make this hole bigger. Okay, so anyway, what to say, I'm discouraged now, but we'll make this work. So subscribe this channel for more videos. I'll be working on this and this to get along. Okay, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more video. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.